back to our maths classes. So we are in the chapter sets, right? So we are discussing introduction to the sets. So in the last class also we discussed about the introduction. So now we are going to continue the remaining introduction. Okay, see here now. So just what is a roster form and what is set builder form, we have to know this in this video clearly. Okay, so actually how we are going to represent the sets. Generally sets are represented by capital letters of English alphabets. So do you know what is mean this? So sets are represented by English capital letters. Okay, A, B, C, Q, R, Z. You can take any letter. Okay, so sets are represented by English alphabets with capital letters. Okay, so right now what is roster form? So we last class we discussed there are three types of representation of sets there, right? So one is roster form, another one is set builder form, roster form, set builder form, one more is Venn diagram. Okay, so we are going to discuss one by one. So first we are discussing about roster form. Okay, so now I am taking one set. So I am going to take one set. So see here, first suppose I am taking natural numbers n. So already we remember the point, right? So what is that point? Generally the representation of set in the capital letters. So I am taking n for natural numbers. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one set. Clear? So now representing the elements as it is in the form of set, it is called roster form. So see here, once again I am repeating. So here n is the natural numbers and here I am writing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So but up to here 6 is there. Okay, so writing a set by listing the elements. So I am listing the all elements here. Yes or no? Yes. In it, in such case that set is said to be written in the roster form. So you simply remember roster form is nothing but actual representation of the set with all elements. Okay, including all elements in the set. So this is a roster form. For suppose if you want take one thing. So I am taking here triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon. So what are these all? These all related to polygons, right? So these are all polygons. So now these all are belongs to polygon. How I represent capital P? Okay, polygon for capital P. So I represented all polygons, triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon. They are maintaining one common property. Yes or no? They are following one common property here. Triangle, square. Can I write here ice cream? No, right? It is not at all related. Can I write here cylinder? No. Yes or no? So cylinder also not comes under this group. Okay, so the main definition of set is a set follows the common property. Yes or no? It must be follow the common property. It must be well defined. In the first class itself we discussed that, right? I hope you got one idea about roster form. Roster form is nothing but writing all elements in the set. For suppose vowels, what should I take for vowels? Capital letter should be V. Okay, I am taking as V as a set name. Okay, V equals to open the flower brackets. What are the vowels? A comma, E comma, I comma, O comma, U. Sorry, A-E-I-O-U, right? These are the vowels, right? So V stands for vowels. So the elements are A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. So all elements I retain. So whenever all elements present in the set, that set is said to be roster form. The set is said to be in the roster form. Okay. So if I write for constants, I am taking capital C. Okay. For constants, I am taking capital C. See now, remaining all comes under consonants. Okay. C for consonants. B comma, C comma, D comma, F comma, G comma, H comma, J comma, K comma, L comma, M comma, N comma, O comma, P comma. Sorry, O is no, O is already vowel, right? So like this. So these all comes under consonants. Clear? Right. Now see here vowels A comma, E comma, I comma, O comma, U are vowels. So this is in roster form, right? This is in which form? It is in roster form. Now what is set builder form? So set builder form is nothing but representing the elements in a particular rule, in a certain rule. Okay. So if we represent this elements which are present in the roster form, we should follow some rule for that. See here, now V equals to X such that X belongs to vowels. X belongs to vowels. Vowels in English alphabets. Okay. So this is called set builder form. Builder form. Do you understand what is set builder form in the sense? So we are representing the elements with particular rule. Set builder form is also known as rule method. Okay. Rule method. So whatever we are writing in the roster form, the same thing we should present with a certain rule. Okay. We are writing with certain property. So that is called set builder form or rule method. So don't confuse. There is no confusion between roster form and set builder form. Okay. Thank you for watching.